Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Fairy Godmother from Shrek in Dress to Impress, removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. For the hair, I use this hair in this color, F2D7FF, and then this hair in that same color and no bangs. Adjust the Y 0.59, the Z 0.52, and scale it to 0.4. Then selected this hair in that same color, no adjustments made on this one in default. For the outfit, you are going to select this top, color it this red, 8, 5, 10, 12 in glitter, and also for the second one, and then select these sleeves in that red in glitter as well. Then you are going to get these glasses here, this red one, and the second one should be like your skin color. Rotate the X down a little bit so it looks like this. And then for the dress, we're going to use this one in red in glitter. Did I use this one or the other one? Hold on. I think I used like type 4. I'm not sure, but just select that. Then for the shoes, I'm just going to use this in red as well. And that is it. You can use this like as a wand if you'd like to. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Forgot the wings. You can use the ones outside of VIP. You can also use this. I know hers is more like a butterfly wing, but the tiny one works perfectly because her wings are super tiny. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!